The Windows filtering platform, WFP, is an API that is used for building firewalls on the host. One of the things, as we said, that we've done in Windows 8 is we've made WFP now, we brought it into the virtual switch so that you can put the firewalls in there. That means that you as developers can filter all of the VM traffic, even without access to that VM, any VM. Also, this makes it simpler and easier to deploy, since everything's deployed into the host instead of not disseminated around a variety of virtual machines. So our partner, who has actually built a WFP solution here, is Five9, and it's my pleasure to welcome Konstantin Malkov. Hi, Konstantin.
Hello, everybody.
Switch over.
I'm glad to announce that Five9 software is releasing soon next version of Virtual Firewall with antivirus. It will be released simultaneously with the Windows 8 server platform, obviously. And we're excited because we're using Windows filtering platform and new virtual switch APIs to develop very elegant, completely host-based solution. And as Bob and Louis mentioned, it is important from a manageability standpoint, scalability, and deployment, of course, because when you're dealing with a large amount of virtual machines or virtual private servers, it is expensive to deploy agents into them, which was the only way to do it up until now. We do have a quite a popular product called Virtual Firewall version 2. It was actually designed based on requirements that we received from multiple Microsoft hosting providers. And the main idea for the product was to control security and enforce compliance rules for the virtual machines programmatically on per virtual machine basis. So with the new version of Hyper-V switch, Windows 8 Windows filtering platform, we are now able to do this on the host level. And you can learn details about the applications and talk about those with me and Zota Corner at Violet booth, right? Server Cloud booth in the exhibits tomorrow and Friday. Here we have a very, very simple demo that will show you how the new version of application works. We have here, you can see it in Hyper-V Manager, just like previous presentation showed, 3 virtual machines. And you can also see it here. Here's a Hyper-V extendable switch and two clients. We are going to access client 2 virtual machine from virtual machine 1, and I'm doing it via browser. So right now, port 8080, we're accessing virtual machine 2 from virtual machine 1 on port 8080, and you could see that.
See it's accessible.
Good. Yeah, it's accessible. So I could do it, via other means. For example, via telnet, just typing a telnet command. Now you see here a little window, which is basically mock-up GUI. Of course, this is a prototype, as I mentioned, and I'm starting the virtual firewall, which works on the switch. I could do that also using the PowerShell script. In PowerShell script, with our application, you could set traffic rules between virtual machines using either virtual machine names or GUIDs. So you could set different traffic rules and a few other things, which are stored in a policy file. So I'm starting virtual firewall right now via GUI. As I mentioned, it could be done via PowerShell script. And now I'm going to try to access virtual machine 2 from virtual machine 1 again, and you can see it's timing out.
Okay, so we have a simple WFP rule that's blocking port 8080 for here, and that's why we can't see the traffic.
Right.
I presume that your product actually does a lot more than just blocking ports.
Or certainly, yeah. We are adding such functionality as antivirus. We partnered with Sophos, antivirus company, and in fact, the press release is going out, I believe, this evening. Once again, using new WFP and vSwitch APIs for Windows 8, we're able right now to control traffic and do different things such as intelligent packet inspections, behavioral type of analysis, all on host level, as well as antivirus and anti-malware host level scanning. I also wanted to show here that there was a specific rule to block port 8080, but you could see that I still can access that virtual machine
Port 80.
On port 80.
Okay.
So
now, can you see the event that actually caused the block?
yeah, and Windows filtering platform actually allows and provides nice auditing capabilities.
I'll point out that this is a PowerShell script that Zad O'Connor wrote, so blame him.
Right. So this pure PowerShell script will show us who is blocking which packet, because sometimes it's cumbersome. You know, you may have multiple applications or hardware devices that may block packets. So I'm executing this script, and
it's gone to the event file, found the blocked message, and nicely formatted it out. Very good. Thank you very much.
So, yeah. So if any